Nova Scotia Health is actively working to hire internationally educated healthcare professionals based on the specific needs of our communities. Now, see this, please note that if you need a work permit to start or continue working with Nova Scotia Health, once you have a job offer, your hiring manager will work with our Immigration and International Recruitment team for assistance. Hi viewers, this is a life-changing opportunity. If you are fortunate seeing this video and you have been looking for a way to move to Canada and become a permanent resident, Nova Scotia is opening up to overseas applicants. They are so deliberate about bringing in qualified candidates from outside Canada. Mark my words, outside Canada. So let me show you right on their website. At Nova Scotia Health, we understand that immigration can be a complex and challenging process, which is why we have an immigration and international recruitment team available to assist employees with any concerns regarding immigration to Canada. The Immigration and International Recruitment team ensures that all international employees have the necessary authorization to work from the time of hire and throughout their employment. So once you get a job offer from the Nova Scotia Health System, they are going to ensure that they get the necessary documents you need, your work permit and your permanent residency in Canada. So they are going to give you all the support needed. You can see we identified the immigration support needs of the international healthcare pipeline as part of our strategic and proactive approach to welcoming potential candidates for current and future job openings. So they are in their need of overseas workers. They want them to come into their health system, and they need thousands of overseas workers to take up job openings that are available in their different communities. So going further, they said we also assist internationally educated professionals in starting, continuing, or permanently staying employed with Nova Scotia Health through employer-based immigration pathways, which facilitates the hiring and retention of skilled workers. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you thousands of opportunities available in this province. This opportunity is not only limited to professionals in health sector alone. We have openings in other professions such as, the administrative, carpentry, the trade occupations are available, a lot of it. You can see registered nurse, administration, clerical, healthcare professional, licensed practical nurse, research, trades. So if you have experience in any trade occupation, this is where the link you're going to use. So I'm going to drop this link in the description of this video. Technician, technologists, the IT executive, the support services, the nurse practitioners, and all other opportunities. So you can just check and see whichever one aligns with your qualification and experience. The Immigration and International Recruitment team also offers specialized immigration assistance for internationally educated professionals in specific healthcare roles such as respiratory therapists, physician assistants, medical laboratory professionals, pharmacists, and diagnostic imaging professionals. Opportunity is so massive. We have a lot of job openings. In fact, the list is so massive that we will not be able to completely explore all in this video, but I'm going to drop the link in the video description. Care assistant, continuing care assistant, what have you, is so massive. You are highly needed in this province. And for the nurses, I have a good news for you. For you to be able to work as a nurse in Canada, you need to be licensed. Now, if you are from Philippines, India, Nigeria, Australia, United States, United Kingdom, or New Zealand, You don't have to go under this process. You can practice directly in Canada. If you are from any of these countries and you are a registered nurse in your home country, you don't have any problem. You can practice in Canada. So, and if you are not from any of these countries, I also have a good news for you, because this particular province is going to allow you to get licensed from your home country. So I'm going to take you through the process of applying for your licensing, even right from your home country, so that as soon as you land in Canada, you have the license to practice as a nurse. You can see for yourself, we are currently on that website and it's saying, so now let me show you, international nurse not currently licensed in Canada. So you have reached this page because you are an international nurse not currently licensed in Canada and are seeking registration and licensure in Nova Scotia. So there are two ways you can get your license. Like I mentioned, if you are from any of those 7 countries, Nigeria is inclusive, India, Philippines, Australia, US, United Kingdom, New Zealand, get your license directly without having to write any exam or go through any process. But if you are not from any of these countries, Nova Scotia is also willing to welcome you, as they will be giving you the opportunity to get licensed from your own country even before moving into Canada. So you are going to go through this process down below. So if you are not from any of those countries, just click on no. So this is the process you are going to follow. So having said that, let's go check the job opportunities that are available. So this is like the provincial general health system, and it is so broad. This is where they recruit a good number of skilled workers to fill in job shortages in different communities in the province of Nova Scotia. So there are loads of opportunities here. You can see it has been segmented into 3 different categories. You can see the Nova Scotia Health Physician Recruitment, the IWK Health Staff and Physician Recruitment, and the Nova Scotia Health Recruitment. Either of these you want to go through, you have a long list of opportunities. Let's go ahead and view Nova Scotia Health Recruitment first. So just click on view postings. So here are the opportunities that are available. So all you need to do, so you can just click any of these functions that best suit your qualification and experience. So let me go for all opportunities. And also you can search by keywords. You can just type your profession here. So you can see a very long list, and this is the closing date for this application. Some are opened until they are filled up. It's a very long list. Manager, planning and development, care assistant, registered nurse, carpenter, operations, all of that. We have a long list, so you can just check any of it that best suits you. So let me check nurse practitioner. So if you're a nurse practitioner, you can see opportunities for you. So let me come to IWK Health Staff recruit opportunities. Let me go to all opportunities as well. So you can see a very long list opened until filled. Just go through it, select whichever one that best matches your qualification and experience, then you apply. So how do you apply? Just click on any of the job opening and you would be able to see the detailed information about the specific requirements, your job description, and a lot of information you need to know about the job. Then when you're done with that, you can just click on this apply button and send in your application. All you need to do is just to register an account with them. Just insert your email address and your password and sign up so that you would be able to follow up on your applications. You can apply to as many jobs as possible. Just make sure your resume is in standard Canadian format and make sure your work experience is well tailored to align with the job description you are applying for.